Well, I guess we got a storm coming in from the northwest here, which is odd because usually we get them from southwest. Look at that, we got some lightning down there. Yeah, this storm does not look very good. There's some purple spots on the radar, which means very, very heavy rainfall. That's worse than red. And unfortunately, the live stream camera that I was using, it for some reason will not turn on, so I don't know what the heck's going on there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna drive out and see if I can get a good view of this storm here. Because this is not a very good view, even though I'm on the roof, but there's too many trees. Let's see what's going on here. There's some lightning over there. It's worse than I thought. It's windy out here. It's kicking up dust. Looks like they're starting to build some stuff up here. Not too happy about that. It's gonna take my view away. Yeah, it's dustier than heck out there. It's getting pretty cold. I mean, it's so windy that my truck is shaking right now, and it's almost powerful enough to literally blow me over outside. And here comes the rain. Man, you can hear that wind. Whoa. Yeah, this is one crazy storm, and it's still pretty far out. I can definitely tell that there's gonna be a lot of tree damage today. So yeah, they're building a Casey's gas station right there, and it looks like they're gonna build a Chick-fil-A here. So they're already putting stuff in. I don't know what they're gonna put out here in this field here. And I know for a fact that they're probably gonna put some more apartments around here somewhere. It feels like that's all that Lincoln's been building lately, is just more apartments. Yeah, this is crazy. I don't think I've ever seen a storm like this in the distance. I mean, this is literally something, it looks like something you would see out of Twister, out of the movie Twister. That was a pretty good strike over there too. But I don't believe there's any tornado warnings or anything yet, so. It's just a really big storm. Wow. It's getting darker out there. I'm probably gonna leave here pretty soon before it starts hailing or something. I couldn't see that. It was right behind the seatbelt thing. This is just crazy. I mean, I've experienced storms like this where it's just super windy. And I mean, I've been in storms like these out in my camper before, out by the Missouri River. It just shakes the camper and there's lightning everywhere. But I don't think I've ever seen... What was that? That looked like a lightning strike just tried to kind of come down and then just went back up. That was a U shape. That was weird. Yeah, I've never seen anything like this out here. This is crazy. I've never seen bad storms, but this is... Okay, that was everywhere. Yeah, I've seen bad storms, but this is different than what I've seen here in Lincoln. Yeah, this wind is nuts. I mean, look at this. It's kicking up dust in the construction site. Well, I'm gonna see if I can get some slow motion shots, because this is really cool looking. Well, it's been a while. This storm is not here yet. It's just kind of creeping towards us, like kind of sideways, almost like a crab. It's moving to the southeast. But the line, it's like a line of clouds or storm cells. It's not really a squall line. It's pretty big, but it's a line of cells that's going straight west to east. But it's kind of moving sideways to the southeast. So, not sure what that's all about. Yeah, there's still some pretty crazy lightning out here, and you can see out to the northwest there's a lot of lightning down there in that one little area. can kind of hear that thunder. It's just rolling thunder. That could also be the interstate too, I don't know. I can hear the interstate, but that low rumble might be that thunder. I don't know. Now that I think about it, the interstate sounds really creepy at night. No rain yet. Had a little bit when I was out in the open there, but nothing right now. The wind just completely died down. There's like just a gentle breeze now, so that's just weird. Whoa. I think we might be able to hear that one. There it is. Oh, starting to get a little sprinkles now. Wow. It's been a while since I've seen lightning like this. Just constant strikes everywhere. I feel like it's always between June and August that we get the worst storms too, so. Yeah, it's raining a little bit now. Whoa. It looks like there's lightning above us now. It's yeah, it's just a matter of time before things start getting crazy here. I already got some pretty serious lightning over here. Whoa. That was bright. I try to get some more slow motion shots. Some pretty nice lightning over here. Holy moly, that was everywhere. Well, we got thunder now. The storm is officially here. Whoa. Wow, that was so bright that that just imprinted on my eyes. Yep. I can see that now. Yeah, I can still see that bolt there. It's imprinted in my, it singed my eyes. That was pretty bright. Wow. That's probably the brightest lightning I've ever seen, honestly. Well, not exactly the brightest, but it's definitely one of the brightest. Perfect timing. Yeah, it's been pretty crazy lightning right now. Rain's coming down now. Yep. Coming down pretty hard now. Okay, I thought that struck something. I don't know. Maybe it did. Just far away. Wow, it is really coming down now. Okay. Well, lightning seems to be less frequent now. Doesn't look like there's much left of this storm. Seems to be mostly past. I just wonder if there's anything left. Whoa. That came out of nowhere. Wow. Well, I wonder if we're gonna get any more of that. That was pretty cool. But there's nothing out that way. There's nothing out that way. The only thing I've seen so far is from this direction here. This tree's kind of in the way, so. Okay. Yeah, that one struck something over there. That definitely struck something over in that that area right there. Because I seen it just go down. It spread all over, but there was one one section of it that was super bright. It went downward over there. So I'm pretty sure that struck something. That was crazy. I think we'll try to catch one more of those really cool lightning strikes and then call it good for tonight, because it is getting pretty late. I've been looking at the radar. There's a section that kind of looks like it might kind of loop around and hit us overnight, but I definitely won't be awake for that. If that's if it happens, but I don't know what it's gonna do. It looks like it might try to kind of loop around, but I'm not quite sure. I'm gonna scoot over here so we can try and get a better view. There we go. See if I can get one last strike. I know it's coming from this direction over here. At least most of it is. Ow, my eyes. That has got to be the coolest lightning I've ever seen. That's just nuts, dude. Well, I'm gonna let my phone charge. Maybe I'll try and catch another one, but yeah. That's amazing. I might try to catch the next one in slow motion or something. Well, it's been a while. I haven't really seen any lightning since I went in, so I think that might actually be it for today. Oh, saw a little bit of lightning. Very dim. Also looks like it's gonna keep raining for a little bit, so. But other than that, I think the lightning part is pretty much over. It's past at least. Yeah, I think I will call that good for tonight. It was definitely a really cool storm. It looked a lot stronger in the beginning with all the wind and crap, but I guess it wasn't horrible. So, yep, that'll be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another one.